Okra. Alden. Alden. Hello. Hello. Can you talk? Can you talk? Can you talk to Mommy?
Can you take a picture with me?
Hello.
Can you take a picture with me?
Hello. Hello.
Can you take a picture?
Just wait, please.
Oh.
Hello. Hazel. Okay, thank you.
Owie.
Can you smile? Can you smile? Oh my goodness. Can you smile again? Can you smile again? Can you smile again?
Yes, you can.
Say good job.
Good job.
It's good. Hello. Hello, Alden. Hello, Alden. Hello, Alden. Are you blowing bubbles?
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. I love you very much.
I love Alden too.
Yeah, I do too.
I do
We
too.
love you. You're such a good boy and you have such a good big sister.
Where's Daddy?
Yes, you do.
Where's Daddy?
Yes, you do.
Where's Daddy, Mama?
Are you blowing bubbles?
Wait,
Are you blowing bubbles?
are you playing bubbles? I am.
Hello.
Hello. What?
Say we love you.
He's
He's
cute.
a good boy.
He's cute.
He is cute. It's good. Oh, really?
Really? Are you talking to me? Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Hazel. He's a good boy. Are you blowing bubbles? Bubbles? Say hi to Grandma. Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? They wanna see you. They wanna see you. They wanna see you. Say I'm a big boy. I'm 3 months now. Right. Hello.
Watch out.
Hello.